state. 2-year warranty. Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to go over how to bench flash TDI ECU. We're going to be doing it on EDC 15, so ALH style engines. I'm sure there's others that run EDC 15, but you'll get the idea. We'll flip you around and we'll show you what we're doing here. Okay, so this is the ECU we're going to be using in this example. And stuff you're going to need: ECU, your MPPS cable, a 12-volt battery. If you have a charger on it, that would be a good idea. I just have this little guy for doing this kind of stuff because you're not drawing a ton of current, just powering up the ECU enough to flash it. So I just have this little guy. And then I made a bench flashing harness, EDC 15 connector, power and ground, OBD2 connector, and then I also have tied in is the EDC 16 connector for once I start getting into those. So what you need to do is hook it up to the ECU. A little awkward to do with one hand, but not too bad. Put that out of the way. Hook up your cable. Again, kind of awkward with one hand. After that, then you'll plug your cable into your laptop. Connect power and ground. And then you can come then you come up to your MPPS, select your appropriate ECU, hit ECU ID, wait for it to connect. And you hit read to save the original flash. Once that's done, then you edit it as you please. Once it's edited, and you can click write. And then you navigate to your tune file, open it, continue programming. Make sure your voltage stays above 12. Like I said, battery charger is a good idea. Click continue, and then we wait for it to finish doing its thing. And there it goes. USB down to OD port into the ECU. And we just sit here and we wait. It's also a good idea have your laptop plugged in so that its battery doesn't die while you're doing this and you end up wrecking the ECU. Also changes the power configuration of the laptop so your screen doesn't go black and scare you thinking your laptop died when it's not plugged into power. Like I don't have mine plugged into power right now. I'm kind of just risking it. This is just a test ECU that I'm playing around with here. So if it does go bad or south, whatever you want to call it, not a huge deal. All right, so we're almost done here. It's gonna pop up in a second saying turn the key off. Since we don't have a key, I'm just gonna disconnect it. At some point, I'm gonna hook a switch up to this so I don't have to do it like this. But this is how we're doing it for now. We disconnect it. Come back here, push OK. Wait for it. That's done. Come back down here. Connector back up, press OK, and then if you want to check, you can go just click the ECU again, come back here, hit ECU ID, and it will recommunicate with your thing. All right, so that's a quick little tutorial on how to bench flash your TDI ECU. Nothing too crazy, pretty much the same as if it's in the car. But guessing this video might be useful for people who are doing a swap or whatever and need to flash it before it's all done and fully in the car or whatever. So yeah, here's my bench flash harness that I made. I just went to a scrapyard that I got the ECU out of and cut the connector ends off, and I didn't unpin all the wires in there. I only connected to the ones I needed to connect it to, and then I just kind of taped it over. And then I teed it in with the ED16 cord 2 and the OBD2 connector out of the same car that this came from. Quick little power. I'll post a picture with the diagram on what wires go where, so you can make your own harness if that's something you'd like to do. So yeah, other than that, that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.